Now we want to solve for the second layer, and what the second layer involves in doing is you need to get, you have all your whites, then you have orange and blue here. You want a blue and orange there. You actually look over here, our orange and green is already solved. And that'll complete the second layer, then we'll have the third layer left to do. Alright, so let's try this. So we look for our orange and blue piece, and it happens to be here, the orange, is what we're going to move right here. So the first move would be to slide the orange up, then we'll have this, then we'll slide these two that way. Now if you look at the orange, you have a line like this, you're going to move that up. You'll have a white box, you'll move this piece back, and then you'll have two pieces over here that you're going to slide to make a broken U. So now that you have this broken U, you're going to slide these two pieces up, these faces I guess you can call them, and it's going to look something like that. Now we'll have a white piece right here, and this white piece will slide according to where this corner is. So since the white is on this corner, we're going to slide it this way, towards it. Now we want to put this white right there. So we're just going to move that up, solve it, move this down, and to finish we just bring this white piece down, we rotate twice, and it's fixed. And now if we check that corner, orange and green, orange and blue, orange and red, boom, it's all done. Now we're going to solve for the third layer, and in doing so we have to solve a yellow cross, even if the colors are wrong. Here we already have a green and yellow, and an orange and yellow, so we're a little lucky. But it doesn't matter. So first, we're going to start from a side that doesn't have the cross, and we're going to move it down. Then we're going to move this up. So that'll automatically put a piece there. Then we'll have a white line. We'll move that like that. We'll have that was our old white line. Now we have a new white line. We'll move this piece up. We'll replace this white corner, because it's wrong, with these two pieces. And then we'll move this down. But it's incorrect. We just rotate these pieces. So instead, on the next alteration, we're going to actually shift a little bit. And I'm going to go a little faster this time. So here, before we move these two white pieces up, we look at the bottom. Here we have three pieces. Now we want to shift like this. So that there's no yellow piece here, and we have the two whites. So when we move this up, like so, we do have our yellow set up. So when we slide this final piece into play, then we solve for some sort of cross, even if it's wrong. And in this case, it is wrong. But two sides of the cross will always match. So in this case, we have the orange and the blue with the yellow. They're correct. So when you have those in the correct position, what you do is you'll have the orange one here, you have the blue one here. The orange one is closer to you, and the blue one is on the opposite side. So I'm going to move this in a way. I'll move the orange up like that. Move the blue down. Orange back towards me. Rotate again. Put that in place. Double shift this time. And then we'll have a new colored scheme. So then we have green and yellow, red and yellow, blue and yellow, and orange and yellow. And in case you have just the line, if it was yellow, 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 and these two weren't here, what you could do is you could do the first algorithm, and that's how you would shift out of it. All right? So then the next step would be to get these corners in the correct place, in the correct position, even though if they're not facing the correct way. So first we'll check if we have any correct, and we don't. So you can apply this algorithm from any corner you want, unless you do have one correct. So the algorithm is shift left to maintain, rotate up, shift back, rotate up on the other side, and then do the opposite to get it back into position. Now you didn't hurt anything, but it's incorrect. Hopefully you have one in the correct position, and we do. We have the green, red, and yellow, and that's right here, red, green, yellow. So we can do the same algorithm from this side down, and we can see what happens. And now we have blue, red, we have the orange, with the green. Okay, so now from any of the sides, you just follow this algorithm. And it's going to be down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. then you're going to shift the top once you have one in the correct place. Down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right, down, left, up, right. Then you're going to shift this over to the right again. And keep doing. And we're so close. Oh my gosh. I can just taste it. This is it. And if you mess up, just keep going because it'll come back. And now we have it solved. And in case you want to do a flower, you get it like so. Move these like that. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. And we have flowers all along our sides. And if you want to put it back, it's just the complete opposite now. Done. All right, I hope you enjoyed.